I created this informative chart and this comprehensive report using Perplexity Labs. Yes, Perplexity does give you best responses using web search, but it also has Perplexity Labs, which can act as your own AI agent. You just need to enter in a prompt and it will act as your market researcher, your data analyst, and whatever you ask for. So let me show you how you can do it. First of all, go to perplexity.ai and select the Perplexity Labs button from here, and then you can enter in your prompt. I have this prompt which tells Perplexity that it is my market strategist and it will create me a short report on top side hustle using AI. I've mentioned all the tasks that needs to be done, that is researching AI tools and creating a CSV file having their name, price, and use cases. Next, I want charts to be made using the research data, and then I want a summary of the best 3 tools for beginners, and lastly I want all of these files to be accessible to me for downloading. I'll also select academic and finance and also social from my sources for better research, and then I'll send this prompt and wait for it to generate my reports and charts. Our response is generated, and here is the strategy report which has the charts included in them, and you can see it has created beautiful charts for me and also key finding that concludes the report, which means I don't have to go through everything and just get my answer using this. But let's see all the results which you can see from here. First one is the CSV that I asked for, which has the tool name, the main use of the tool, price, and their best use cases, which I can simply download by clicking on this download as CSV button. Really useful. Now next, it's this chart which shows AI tools by their category. Next is this pie chart which represents the free tool versus the paid tool. Lastly, this chart which represents the tool according to their difficulty levels. And this is the final report, which is in Markdown format, which also I can export by clicking on this export button and downloading it as Markdown or directly exporting it to my Google Drive. Now this was how you can create comprehensive and detailed reports based on current market and trends. So leverage your Perplexity AI lab as your personal AI agent to get best business decisions.